We will continue about evaluating the project's feasibility or simply a basic method of doing engineering economic analysis. We will deal about equivalent worth method. What is equivalent worth method? We have simply a project, and project has a project cash flow. Project P has a project cash flow for different duration. Okay, so this is a simple pictorial view of the project cash flow. In equivalent worth method, we have a technique to if we convert all the values of different years into the present year, or simply value at zeroth year. This is known as present worth method, and we compare whether our cost is greater than expense or not, or simply our value present worth value is greater than zero or not. Here we have evaluated the worth of all the cash into zeroth year, and we calculate the present worth value, and we see if this is greater than zero or not. And if it is greater than zero, then present worth is greater than zero, we accept the project. The second method is we calculate value at each annual year, or simply annual worth. Annual worth is simply our revenue minus expenses minus capital recovery cost. This capital recovery cost is simply our interest of annual investment of annual from present to I% at an year, minus our salvage value of annual from future I% of n. This is known as capital recovery cost. This is revenue, and this is our expenses. And this annual worth is greater than zero, we accept the project. Otherwise, we reject it. And our third method is future value method. In future value method, we evaluate all the cash, or simply all the cost at the future value, or at the future time, or simply nth year, which is the very last year of the project. And we select the project if our future worth is greater than zero only.